I'm just showing the Xbox coasters I created and a little stand for them. These were created, I took the style from the top of the Xbox Series X there and put the logo in the centre of it. This is a Ender 5 S1. I'm just using black and green filament PLA. It's just, I tend to use the cheap filament, as cheap as whatever's on offer. I don't really find any difference between expensive filament and cheap filament. It's only really colour and whether it's silk or matte. That's the base. As I say, it was just a basic shape and they fit all into there. This is the bottom side of it, and the top it just inserts together. I didn't glue them, they don't really need gluing, they'll snap together. I sliced these, I created them in Photoshop and Tinkercad and sliced them in Cura. The only thing I'd suggest in Cura is go down to the experimental settings at the bottom and set the slicing tolerance to exclusive. That gives you a better edge without going into the details of it. Gives you a better edge and they tend to snap together a lot better. Anything that you have got parts to it and they go together, that tends to give you a better edge. The printer bed I'm using's got a textured base, which I thought quite well matched the texture of a Xbox, so that worked out quite well. And as I say, they seem to go together very well and hold together. And I did 6 there. I mean, you can do them in whatever colours you want. It's just try to match the Xbox colours with the colours I had, filament I had. And I put some pictures of them at the end of the video. That's it. And as always, if you'd subscribe, it's always most appreciated.